Ha? Foul!
27.
Isa na siya, 27. Jimenez. Pila foul ni Jimenez. First personal foul, third team pa. First. Last two, jumpers ready. Anak. He scored. 13-12. Muntik ng maalaw, tuwasan. 15 to shoot. Harumay, correct 2 points. Remaining time plus 140. 8. Foul. Harumay. Second team fouls pa. Ang senior, ang Happy Friends. Last 14 to shoot. At to 10. Napalakan. 4. Correct, 2 points, Flores. Remaining time last 1 and 32 seconds. Wasan. Harumay, pass to Wasan. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Sa seniors. Remaining time last 1 and 15 seconds for the second quarter. Flores. Nakuha sa kanyang last time to shoot. Flores correct 2 points. Seconds to play. Pass to Wasan. Last 15 to shoot. Jimenez correct 2 points. Jimenez. Last 40 seconds. Well, sir, correct 2 points.